This is a review of the ZO Skin Health Anti-Aging Program. So I love that this kit really gives you everything that you need for a proper anti-aging skin regimen. So it comes with your exfoliating cleanser, so you can use this morning and night. And then it comes with this exfoliating polish. So this is the only thing in the kit that you wouldn't want to use daily. This is going to be more like an exfoliating treatment to do a couple times a week when you feel you just need to get that extra layer of skin off the top. The complexion renewal pads are my absolute favorite ZO skin product. This comes with the 30 pads. I do like to cut mine in half. It'll save you money because you can use a half a pad in the morning and a half a pad at night. They're very saturated, so half a pad is plenty. And then in the daytime, I use this Daily Power Defense. It's just a great hydrating moisturizer, helps with all kinds of environmental aggressors, protects your skin. It's so wonderful, hydrates. So I use this in the daytime, and then at night for my hydrator, I use this growth factor serum. I love the way that you disperse the product here. So you just push it down and it'll pump up exactly the amount that you need. And that's what you're going to use to then put on your skin. It's just like a thicker gel instead of more like a liquidy serum. So it hydrates really well, helps with fine lines and wrinkles, skin firmness. This is also one of my favorite products. I absolutely love this. So if there is one thing missing from this kit, I would say it's going to be a retinol based product. So I do recommend this Wrinkle and Texture Repair. It's a 0.5% retinol. It does not come with the kit, but if you do just need that little extra anti-aging boost, I would recommend adding that. But otherwise, it has everything you need right here.